Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Good evening, one and all. I'm Ranjani Seshadri, the director and the dance teacher of Bharatanatyam Kendra. I would like to welcome you all to the second Bharatanatyam dance performance by students of Bharatanatyam Kendra. Wish everyone a very happy Navaratri. Navaratri is a festival that spans 9 nights and is celebrated every year in the autumn. It is celebrated differently in various parts of India. This Navaratri, called Sharada Navaratri, is the most observed in honor of Devi, surrendering to the Universal Mother. Celebrations during Navaratri include worshipping goddess, chanting of scriptures, and also performing cultural events. Today, we are very happy to host this online Bharatanatyam performance as a part of Navaratri celebrations. Now, I would like to introduce the first performer, Kumari Varnika Sharma. Varnika is a very sincere child. She is very sincere in learning and has shown very good progress in her dance in the last couple of months. She begins today's program with a shloka from Shyamala Dandakam, written by the great Kavi Kalidasa in praise of goddess Shyamala. Over to Varnika.
Namaste, my name is Varnika Sharma. Today I am going to perform on Shloka of Goddess Vasudha.
चतुर्भुजे चंद्रकलावदंसे कुचोदते कुंकुमदागशोणे कुंदेषु भाषाकुशे पुष्पपरायण हस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते जगदेक माधव चतुर्भुजे चंद्रकलावदंसे कुचोदते कुंकुमदाग शोणे कुंदेषु भाषाकुशे पुष्पपरागस्ते नमस्ते जगदेक माधव
Thank you, Varnika. The next performers are Kumari Diya Rakshit and Kumari Rupkata Adhikari. Both are one of the youngest kids of our class and they show great interest in learning dance. They will perform for yet again a very popular shloka from Shyamala Dandakam, Manikya Veena Upalalayanti.
Namaskar, my name is Rupkata Adhikari. Today I am going to dance on a shloka of Goddess Saraswati. Namaskar, my name is Rohini Rakshit. I am going to dance on the shloka on Goddess Saraswati.
वीणा उपलालयति माणिक्यवीणा उपलालयति मदालसां मञ्जुलवाग्विलासा माणिक्यवीणा उपलालयति मदालसा मञ्जुलवाग्विलासा महेन्द्र नीलच्युति कोमलांगे महेन्द्र नीलच्युति कोमलांगे मातंग कन्या मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि मनसा स्मरामि.
Thank you, Diya and Rupkata. Our next participant is Kumari Bhadra Prakash. She's a highly energetic kid. She's always on her toes in the class. Her mother has also learned Bharatanatyam, and hence there is greater interest in learning dance. Kumari Bhadra will be performing for a shloka in praise of Guru.
Namaste everyone. My name is Bhadra Prakash. I study in class 1 in Mano Mangal Smart School. Today I am going to perform the sloka Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu. I salute our Guru Srimati Ranjini for teaching us with patience and making us confident to perform. Today, I dedicate this performance to all of my teachers.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurave Namaha Gurave
Bhadra. The next participant today is Kumari Ravya Jain, a bubbly kid. She's giving her maiden dance performance today. I'm sure she's very excited. She will be presenting a Pushpanjali in Ragam Natai set to Aditalam.
Namaste. My name is Ravya Jain. I am in class first. Today I am presenting Pushpanjali.
Thank you, Ravya. The next performance is an interesting combination of mother and daughter, Kumari Dhwani Somanathan and Srimati Preeti Somanathan. Initially, Dhwani started learning dance, and then eventually her mother, who is very passionate about dance, also started learning. I'm very happy that they both are able to perform today. They will be presenting a dance in praise of goddess Meenakshi. This is a composition of Muthuswami Dikshitar in Ragam Shankarabharanam set to Aditalam.
Namaste everyone. My name is Dhwani Somanathan, studying in grade 1. Today, me and my mother Preeti are going to perform for a song named Shamale Meenakshi in praise of goddess Meenakshi. Shamale Meenakshi. Sa-re-ga-ma pa-pa, da-ni-da-ni-da-pa-ga. Sa-re-ga-ma pa-pa, da-ni-da-ni-da-pa-ga. Ma-da-ma-re-ga-pa-ga, sa-re-ma-re-ni-sa-sa. Ma-da-ma-re-ga-pa-ga, sa-re-ma-re-ni-sa-sa. pa 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 ma 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 ga 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 ri 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 pa pa da pa ma ma pa ma ga ga ma ga ri 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 श्यामले मीनाक्षी सुंदरे सरसाक्षी श्यामले मीनाक्षी सुंदरे सरसाक्षी शंकरी गुरु गुह समुद्भवे श्रीदेव शंकरी गुरु गुह समुद्भवे श्रीदेव पामर मोचनी पंकज लोचनी पद्मागणवाणी हरिलक्ष्मी विनुते शांभवी श्यामले मीनाक्षी सुंदरे सरसाक्षी शंकरी गुरु गुह समुद्भवे श्रीदेव पामर मोचनी पंकजलोचनी पद्मासनवाणी हरिलक्ष्मी विनुते शांभवी श्यामले मीनाक्षी सुंदरे सरसाक्षी शंकरी गुरु गुह समुद्भवे श्रीदेव शंकरी गुरु गुह समुद्भवे श्रीदेव शंकरी गुरु गुह समुद्भवे श्रीदेव
Thank you, Dhwani and Preeti. We move on to our next performer, Kumari Anaya Shukla. Anaya is a very inquisitive kid. In the class, I've observed that she not only learns her own lessons, but also likes to try the lessons taught to her. Anaya will be presenting a Pushpanjali in Ragam Nattai set to Adi Talam.
My name is Anaya Shukla. I am in grade 2. I am going to present Pushpanjali.
தாம் கீம் தட்டித்தாம் தித்தாம் தகனகதகுதகிடதாம் 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 தட்டித்தாம் தகனகதீம் தட்டித்தை தகனகதாம் தகனகதீம் தகனகதட்டித்தாம் ததிகனதோம் தட்டித்தாம் தகனதிகனதோம் தட்டித்தாம் தகதிகுதகிடதோம் ஐந்து கருத்தனே ஆனை முகத்தனே இடம் திரை போலும் எயிற்றினை
Thank you, Anaya.
Welcome, ma'am.
Our next participant is Kumari Diya Yuvraj, a very bubbly kid and hardworking. She also sings very well. She will be presenting a dance in praise of goddess Meenakshi. This is a composition of Muthuswami Dikshita in Ragam Shankarabharanam set to Aditala.
Good evening, one and all. My name is Dia. I study in class 2. Today I'm going to be dancing on a song on Shyamale Meenakshi. Sit back and enjoy the show. Shyamale Meenakshi.
Thank you, Diya. Our next performer today is Kumari Adya Kulshrestha. Adya is an all-rounder. Her interest in dance and enthusiasm is just unmatchable. She's very helpful to others in the class. Adya will be presenting a peppy kriti written by the great Telugu poet Annamaya in praise of goddess Alamelu Manga of Tirupati. This piece is in Ragam Gambhiranatai set to Aditala.
Namaste. I am Adya Kulshrestha. I study in class 2C and today I am going to perform a song in the praise of Alamelu Manga.
జవరాల తిరు జవరాల తిరు జవరాల ఈ తరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి ఈ తరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి ఈ తరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి జగ జక్క ఝం ఝం ఝణకీణాని ప్రకటపు మురువొప్పೆ భళా భళా జగ జక్క ఝం ఝం ఝణకీణాని ప్రకటపు మురువొప్పೆ భళా భళా సకల పతికి సరసపు కొమ్మ ఈ మొగ సిరి మెరసే చెమ్ముల మురి ప్రేముల సకల పతికి సరసపు కొమ్మ ఈ మొగ సిరి మెరసే చెమ్ముల మురి ప్రేముల తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి ఈ తరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి మాయి మాయి అలమేలు మంగనాచారి పతివాయని వెంకటపతి పట్టపురాణి మాయి మాయి అలమేలు మంగనాచారి పతివాయని వెంకటపతి పట్టపురాణి మోయ చిరుగెజ్జల నీ మ్రోతలానేమి సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే మోయ చిరుగెజ్జల నీ మ్రోతలానేమి సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే రోయ చిరుగెజ్జల నీ మ్రోతలానేమి సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే రోయ చిరుగెజ్జల నీ మ్రోతలానేమి సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి ఈ తరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి తిరు తిరు జవరాల తిప్పి
Thank you, Adya. The next performers are Kumari Agamya and Kumari Advaita Gulati. Both the sisters are one of my first students. They're very sincere and very responsible too. They will be presenting a Pushpanjali in Ragam Natak.
Namaste everyone. I am Advaita Gulati and I am Agamya Gulati. Today we are going to perform a Pushpanjali in front of you.
తత్తోడగదాం తంతం తంతం దిం 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 తత్తోడంగ తక్కుతా దే తత్తోడగదాం తంతం తంతం దిం 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 తత్తోడంగ తక్కుతా దే దిం 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 దే దిగుదగ దిగుదో గస్తంగా దిగుదగ దిగుదో గస్తంగా దిగుదో గస్తంగా దిగుదోంగ గుట్ట గిట్ట గిట్ట తొంగ తో తోడగదాం తోంది తోడత కిన్న తో తోడగదాం తోంది సంతాంతం తిన్ 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 తోడంగ తక్కుతా దే దిద్దిద్దై దిద్ది తత్తరి రత్తట్టం కదిగిన తొందగ దిద్దిద్దై దిద్ది తత్తరి రత్తట్టం కదిగిన తొందగ దై 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 దాగిన దే దై 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 దాగిన దై 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 దాగిన దే దై 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 దాగిన దేను దాగదిల్ల ದಿನ ತಾಗದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ತಾಗದಿಲ್ಲ ದಿಗುತಗ 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 ತಗ ದಿಗುತ ದಿಗಿನೋ ತತ್ತಗ ದಿಗುತ ದಿಗಿನೋ ತತ್ತಗ ದಿಗುತ ದಿಗಿನೋ ಜೇಮ್ ಜೇಮ್ jam kinadaga jam kinadaga tattam jam kinadaga tam tattin taka jam kinadaga tattam jam kinadaga tam tattin taka ta dei dei ta tattam dei 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 ta tattam ta dei dei ta tattam jam kinadaga tam jam kinadaga tam jam kinadaga
Thank you, Agamya and Advaita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our next performer is Kumari Ritika Shashikumar. A very serious learner, in fact, for her age. She's very mature. She also learns Carnatic music. She will be presenting a dance in praise of goddess Meenakshi. Yet again, a composition of Muthuswami Dikshita in Ragam Shankarabharanam set to Adi Talam.
Namaste, my name is Ritika Sasikumar. Today I am going to perform a song, Syamali Meenakshi. Syamali Meenakshi.
Ritika. Our next performer is Kumari Anvesha Sahu. Anvesha is a keen learner and is a very sportive kid. She will be presenting a dance for compilation of few slokas.
Namaste. My name is Anvesha. I study in class 2T. Today I am going to perform a few slokas in praises on Lord Ganesha, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi, and Lord Shiva.
वाहन मोदक ग्रस्त चामर गण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते वाहन मोदक ग्रस्त चामर गण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं प्रतीक्षामि भवतु मे सदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं प्रतीक्षामि भवतु मे सदा भवतु मे सदा नमस्ते महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रे गदाधरे वरदायिनि नमोस्तुते नमस्ते महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रे गदाधरे वरदायिनि नमोस्तुते वरदायिनि नमोस्तुते आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आकारं चन्द्रताराधिपम् आकारं चन्द्रताराधिपं नमस्कारितं शिवं 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 शिवं
Our next participant today is Kumari Kanishka Kamalakannan. Kanishka is again an all-rounder. She's very good in fine arts as well as sports. She can adapt herself very quickly to any style of dance. Kanishka will be performing for a peppy kriti, Thiru Thiru Javarala, written by the great Telugu poet Annamaya in praise of goddess Alamelumanga of Tirupati. This is in Ragam Gambhiranate, set to Adi Talam.
Namaste. My name is Kanishka. I study in class 2. Today I am going to perform a dance in praise of goddess Alamelumanga.
Javaral, ఇగుతిరు జవరాల చుట్టు ఈ కరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే ఇగుతిరు జవరాల చుట్టు ఈ కరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే ఇగుతిరు జవరాల చుట్టు ఈ కరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే ఇగుతిరు జవరాల చుట్టు జగ జగ ఝుం ఝుం ఝనకి రాణి ప్రకటపు మురుగొప్పే భళా భళా జగ జగ ఝుం ఝుం ఝనకి రాణి ప్రకటపు మురుగొప్పే భళా భళా సకల పతికి సరసపు కొమ్మ ఈ మొగసిరి మెరసే చెమ్ముల మురి ప్రేముల సకల పతికి సరసపు కొమ్మ ఈ మొగసిరి మెరసే చెమ్ముల మురి ప్రేముల తిరు జవరాల పుట్టు ఈ తరళమైన ఈ తారహార మధురే తిరు జవరాల పుట్టు మాయలమేను మంగనాచారి మతివాయని వెంకటపతి పట్టపురాణి మాయలమేను మంగనాచారి మతివాయని వెంకటపతి పట్టపురాణి మోయ చిరుగెజ్జల నీ మ్రోతలానే సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే మోయ చిరుగెజ్జల నీ మ్రోతలానే సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే రోయ చిరుగజ్జల నీ మోతలానే సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే రోయ చిరుగజ్జల నీ మోతలానే సోయగమైన నీ సొలపు చూపమరే తిరు జవరాల ఈ తరళమైన నీ తారహార మధురే తిరు జవరాల తిరు జవరాల తిరు జవరాల
Thank you, Kanishka. Performers for today are Kumari Ahiri Banerjee and Kumari Anushka Singh. Both the kids are very silent in the class and they are quick learners too. They have a natural flair for dance. They will be performing for a very popular Purandaradasa Kirtana, Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma, in praise of goddess Mahalakshmi. This is in Ragam Madhyamavati, set to Adital.
Namaste. My name is Ahiri Banerjee. I study in class 2nd.
My name is Anushka Singh. I am studying in class 3.
Today we are going to perform a dance on a song Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma.
This song is in praise of goddess Lakshmi.
ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬಲಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬಲಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬಲಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಂಬಲಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಗಜ್ಜರ ಸಾಗೋ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯಂತೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೀ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತೂಪದ ಕಾದುವೆ ಹರಿಸಿ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯೊಳ ಅಲಗಿರಿ ರಂಗನ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ರಾಣಿ ಆಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೀ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ
Thank you, Anushka and Ahiri. The next performer of today's evening is Kumari Shailja Kapri. She's a very quick learner and has shown very good progress in dancing in the last couple of months. She is again going to be presenting a dance for compilation of few slokas.
Namaste. My name is Shailja Kapri. I am studying class 3rd. Today I am going to dance on few shlokas in praise of God Ganesha, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Shiva.
मूषिकवाहन मोदक चेष्ट चामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते मूषिकवाहन मोदक चेष्ट चामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धे भवतु मे सदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धे भवतु मे सदा सिद्धे भवतु मे सदा नमस्ते महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाधरे महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाधरे महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते साङ्गीतं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आकारं शङ्कराराधितम्
Thank you, Pihu. Our next performer is Srimati Preeti Somanathan. Preeti initially brought her daughter for dance classes. Preeti was always very interested in learning Bharatanatyam. She told me that her husband motivated her to start learning along with her daughter. Preeti works for Infosys. We know how demanding it is to work for a private IT firm. Despite her professional and personal commitments, she always takes time to practice and tries her best. She is in fact an inspiration to all our young dance class kids. Preeti will be presenting a song in praise of Sengali Amman of Sulur-Badi in Ragam Mohanam set to Adital.
Namaste everyone. Happy Navaratri to all. I, Mrs. Preeti Somanathan, will be performing for Sengali Amman. In the tranquil town of Sulur-Badi, the goddess manifests as Sengali Amman. She is so magnanimous and benevolently blesses us with prosperity. This Kirtanam has been written by Sri Padmadevi.
சுந்தரச்சூளூர் பதியினிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி. சுந்தரச்சூளூர் பதியினிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி. ஆழங்கி நதியும் கரையிலே அருட்கடலென அமர்ந்த கௌமாரி. நாமல் எங்கும் விடாமல் தங்கும் பிரானின் பங்கில் பிராவி பறந்து நின்றாள் அவள் பரஞ்சோதி. நாமல் எங்கும் விடாமல் தங்கும் பிரானின் பங்கில் பிராவி பறந்து நின்றாள் அவள் பரஞ்சோதி. ககன வெளியனும் கூந்தலிலே கதிர்மதி பூக்கள் சூடிடுவார். தகன தக தக தகனவே தானுடன் அவள் ஆடிடுவார். ககனவெளியனும் கூந்தலிலே கதிர்மதி பூக்கள் சூடிடுவாள். தகன தக தக தகனவே தானுடன் அவள் ஆடிடுவாள். வெளியாய் பிரிவாள் ஒளியாய் மிளிர்வாள். வழியாய் நிலம் நீர் ஒளியாய் நிறைவாள். வெளியாய் விரிவாள் ஒளியாய் மிளிர்வாள். வழியாய் நிலம் நீர் துளியாய் நிறைவாள். தெளிந்துணர்வோர்த்தம் இதயம் கூடிடுவாள். தெளிந்துணர்வோர்த்தம் இதயம் கூடிடுவாள். சுந்தரச்சூளூர் பதியினிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி. ஆழங்கி நதியின் கரையினிலே அருட்கடலென அமர்ந்த கௌமாரி. நாமல் எங்கும் விடாமல் தங்கும் பிரானின் பங்கில் பிராவி பறந்து நின்றாள் அவள் பரஞ்சோதி. சுந்தரச்சூளூர் பதியினிலே சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி.
Our next performer is Kumari Samhita Sripada. She's a very silent kid and learns and practices very sincerely. She's also learning Carnatic music from her mother. Today, Samhita will be presenting a popular Annamaya Kriti, Brahmam Okkate, in Ragam Bauli, set to Aditali.
Namaste. My name is Amita. I study in class 4. Today I am going to dance on the song Brahmam Okkate, which means all God is one.
బ్రహ్మముక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మముక్కటే బ్రహ్మముక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మముక్కటే తందనానాకి తందనానాకి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ బ్రహ్మముక్కటే బల బ్రహ్మముక్కటే బల బ్రహ్మముక్కటే బల బ్రహ్మముక్కటే తందనానాకి తందనానాకి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా అందరికి శ్రీకరే అందరికి శ్రీకరే అంతరాత్మ శివరే అంతరాత్మ శివరే అంతరాత్మ ఇందులో జంతువులు నిండానొకటే అందరికి శ్రీకరే ఇందులో జంతువులే నిండానొకటే అందరికి శ్రీకరే అంతరాత్మ శివరే అంతరాత్మ శివరే అంతరాత్మ తందనానాకి తందనానాకి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ నిడార రాజు నిద్ర సోటి అండనే పండు నిద్ర ఒకటి నిడార రాజు నిద్ర సోటి అండనే పండు నిద్ర ఒకటి మెంటైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్ట భూమి ఒకటే చండాలుడు వేడి సరి భూమి ఒకటే మెంటైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్ట భూమి ఒకటే చండాలుడు వేడి సరి భూమి ఒకటే సరి భూమి ఈ సరి భూమి తందనానాకి తందనానాకి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ మీద పొలయు ఎండొకటే మీద మీద పొలయు ఎండొకటే కడుపు పాప కర్ములను సిరిగానే జడియుషి వెంకటేశ్వరుడు ఒకటే కడుపు పాప కర్ములను సిరిగానే జడియుషి వెంకటేశ్వరుడు ఒకటే శ్రీశ్వరుడు ఒకటే వెంకటేశ్వరుడు ఒకటే తందనానాకి తందనానాకి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ బ్రహ్మముక్కటే బల బ్రహ్మముక్కటే బల బ్రహ్మముక్కటే బల బ్రహ్మముక్కటే తందనానాకి తందనానాకి తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ
Thank you, Samhita. The next performer of today's evening is Kumari Shriya Shankar Raman. Shreya is a multi-talented girl. She's good in singing and dancing, very hardworking, shows a lot of interest in learning new things. Shreya will be presenting for a very popular song, Shiva Shakti. Shiva Shakti Kooth is a work of the great Tamil poet Subramanya Bharatiyar.
Namaste, I am Shreya Shankar Raman. I am 9 years old. Today I am going to perform on the song Shiva Shakti.
Shiva Shakti, 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 Shiva Shakti, 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 Shiva Shakti, 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 Shiva Shakti, 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 Shiva Shakti, Shakti, அவள் அன்னை அன்னை உண்மை நாடு கொள்கின்றான் அவள் அன்னை அன்னை உண்மை நாடு கொள்கின்றான் தகத் நமக்கருள் கொள்ளாய் காண்கிறோம் தகத் நமக்கருள் கொள்ளாய் காண்கிறோம் சரணம் என்று வாழ்ந்து சிவசக்தி சக்தி சக்தி புகத்துண்டனடா போதெல்லாம் புறத்தினிலே கல்விடாய் சொல்லலாம் புகத்துண்டனடா போதெல்லாம் புறத்தினிலே கல்விடாய் சொல்லலாம் புகழ் குழந்தை இருக்குதடா போதே புகழ் குழந்தை இருக்குதடா அது குழந்தையின் தாயைக்கும் சிவசக்தி சக்தி சக்தி உலகீரம் வந்து சேர்வை என்று உலகீரம் வந்து சேர்வை என்று ஜகத்தில் உள்ள நண்பரெல்லாம் ஜகத்தில் உள்ள மனிதரெல்லாம் நாம் சரீரம் காலம் செய்ரண்டும் சிவசக்தி சக்தி சக்தி சிவசக்தி சக்தி சக்தி என்று பாடோம். ஒன்றாவோம்.
Thank you, Shriya. Our final performer for today's program is Kumari Ananda Harinika. Harini is again a very multi-talented kid, good in academics, music, art and craft. Harinika will be presenting a song in praise of Sengali Amman of Sulurpati in Raga Mohanam set to Adi Talam. This song has been written by Sri Padma Devan.
I am Ananda Harinika and I'll be performing Sengali Kirtana.
சூளூர் பதியிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் முதித்த செங்காழி சுந்தர சூளூர் பதியிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி காளங்கி நதியின் கரையிலே அருக்கடலென அமர்ந்த கௌமாரி நாமல் எங்கும் விடாமல் தங்கும் பிரானின் பங்கில் பிராவி பறந்து நின்றாள் அவள் பரஞ்சோதி. நாமல் எங்கும் விடாமல் தங்கும் பிரானின் பங்கில் பிராவி பறந்து நின்றாள் அவள் பரஞ்சோதி. ககன வெளியனும் கூந்தலிலே கதிர்மதி பூக்கள் சூடிடுவார். தகன தக 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 எனவே தானுவுடன் அவள் ஆடிடுவாள். ககனவெளியனும் கூந்தலிலே கதிர்மதி பூக்கள் சூடிடுவாள். தகன தக 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 எனவே தானுவுடன் அவள் ஆடிடுவாள். வெளியாய் விரிவாள் ஒளியாய் விழிவாள் வழியாய் நிலம் நீர் துளியாய் நிறைவாள். வெளியாய் விரிவாள் ஒளியாய் விழிவாள் வழியாய் நிலம் நீர் துளியாய் நிறைவாள். தெளிந்துணர்வோர்த்தம் இதயம் கூடிடுவாள். தெளிந்துணர்வோர்த்தம் இதயம் கூடிடுவாள். சுந்தர சூளூர் பதியிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி காளங்கி நதியின் கரையிலே அருக்கடலென அமர்ந்த கௌமாரி நாமல் எங்கும் விடாமல் தங்கும் பிரானின் பங்கில் பிராவி பறந்து நின்றாள் அவள் பரஞ்சோதி. சுந்தர சூளூர் பதியிலே எழிற் சுயம்புவாய் உதித்த செங்காழி.
Thank you, Harinika. Now I request Srimati Preeti Somanathan to give vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. On culmination of this wonderful evening of dance, it is indeed an honor to convey the vote of thanks on behalf of Bharata Nritya Kendra. I, Ms. Preeti Somnathan, have been associated with our Guru, Srimati Ranjani Seshadri, for more than a year now. Both as a disciple and mother of Dhwani, who has been learning this beautiful art form. And on a personal level, to connect with her at this stage, when I least expected to get into a learning phase, has let me fulfill a long cherished desire. Thank you, ma'am, especially for that. Our Guru, Mrs. Ranjani, has been grooming the children in this ancient and wonderful art form, which in addition to being a performing art, also brings overall physical and mental conditioning. Her dedication and eagerness to impart knowledge is evident from the efforts she is taking to ensure that learning continues even when we are going through this unprecedented situation. And to top it all, she has also been able to guide and successfully conduct not one, but 2 virtual performances. Our special thanks to Dr. Amit and Mrs. Nidhi for providing the support and enablement for a seamless conduct of the evening's proceedings. A big thanks to Ms. Hema for conceiving and designing the invite for this event. The efforts of the parents tends to get underplayed under the bask of performers' glory, especially the mothers who untiringly work to help the children. So a big shout out to all the mothers here. And most importantly, the children who all have been facing this new normal and yet have shown the enthusiasm and eagerness to continue learning and perform as well as they did today. We thank the audience for their valuable support and their time to encourage the children during this evening's performance. Our wishes and prayers that Bharatiya Nritya Kendra keeps growing by leaps and bounds under the able and loving guidance of our Guru, Srimati Ranjani. Thank you.